So we'll see the next question, question number 18. So write the given numbers in descending order. So the numbers are 2 power 39, 3 power 26, 5 power 13. So we'll see the workings. So the given numbers are 2 power 39, 3 power 26 and 5 power 13. So whenever you have the powers as integers, you find HCF for the given powers. So here the powers we have 39, 26 and 13. So HCF, that is the highest common factor, so it is clearly 13. So 39 is 13 into 3 and 26 is 13 into 2 and 13 is 13 into 1. So the common factor is 13 and the highest common factor between these three powers is 13. So now we can rewrite the question as 2 power. So 39 can be written as 3 into 13. So retaining this 3 inside, so we'll write the power 13 outside the brackets. So 3 power 26 is written as 3 square power 13 and 5 power 1 the whole power 13. So now for all the numbers we have the same common power. So avoiding or eliminating the powers, we are left out with 2 cube is 8, 3 square is 9 and 5 power 1 is 5. So now we need to write these numbers in descending order from the highest to the smallest. So 9, so this is greater than 8, so this is greater than 5. So the numbers which represent 9, 8, 5 are 3 power 26, 2 power 39 and 5 power 13. So after writing the numbers in descending order, we have 3 power 26 the highest, then 2 power 39 and then 5 power 13. So this type of question they repeatedly ask in all the exams. So just go through these concepts and try to attend this. So it's very simple also. And answer is option D. So the working is given here clearly. So taking a common factor for the powers, we rewrite the question and eliminating the common powers, we can easily write the numbers in descending order. So the order is, descending order is 3 power 26, then 2 power 39 and 5 power 13. So we'll see the next question, question number 19. A bag contains white, black and red color socks. In each color, there are 10 pairs of socks. How many random draws one should make from the bag so that he gets at least one pair of socks? So that pair can be of any color. So we'll see the working. 19. So in a bag, we have 3 colors of socks. So white, black and red. So we have 10 pairs in each. It means 10 pairs means altogether 30 pairs. So total you have 60 socks in the bag. So we are asked to find how many draws one should make to get at least one pair. So when they say at least one, it means that minimum is 1. So you can get more than 1 also, but minimum should be 1. So here minimum 1 pair. So many think that it will be half the number of socks or half the number of pairs. So but the shortcut here is you choose one more than the number of colors. So because Suppose when he takes out one sock, so in one draw, suppose he gets a sock white, he'll go for the second draw. So if he gets white, so then it's fair he gets one pair. Suppose if he gets a black sock, so he hasn't got one pair, he'll go for the third draw. So if he gets black or white, so then he'll get one pair. Suppose if it is not black or white, if it is red, so he hasn't got one pair, so he'll go for the fourth draw. So here, any color of socks, either black, white, black or red, he'll get one pair. So to get at least one pair, he should make 4 draws. So here the shortcut is, so you go one more than the number of colors. Suppose you have 4 colors, white, black, red and yellow. So he has to make 4 plus 1, 5 to get at least one pair. It is not the number of socks or number of pairs. The answer will be one more than the number of colors. And answer is option C, 4. So to get at least one pair, number of draws should be one more than the number of colors. So here hint is, you see how many colors are there, so plus 1 will be the answer. Here we have 3 colors plus 1, so 4 is the answer. So one has to make 4 draws, 4 random draws to get at least one pair. So we'll see the next question, question number 20. Geeta borrowed a book from a lending library on the condition that it has to be returned in 3 days. So first day, she read 3/5 of the pages in the book, and second day, she read 2/7 of the remaining pages. If she returned the book on the third day with 50 pages unread, then how many pages did the book contain? So we'll see the working. So problem number 20. So whenever you have fractions in this question, so we have here 3 by 5 and 2 by 7. So instead of taking 1 minus 3 by 5 or 1 minus 2 by 7, so I'll tell you a shortcut how to proceed for this type of question. So the two fractions given here is 3 by 5 and 2 by 7. So the easier working will be, take LCM for the denominators. Here we have 5 and 7. So take LCM for this 5 and 7. So which is equal to 35. So assuming that the book contains 35 pages, if we proceed, so it will be easier to do the working in less time. So we assume that, so assume number of pages is 35. So now one by one, so each day she reads 3/5 and 2/7. So from this we can work out and we can arrive at the answer easily. So the first day, she reads 3 by 5 of the pages in the book. So we have assumed that the book contains 35 pages. So in this 35, she reads 3 by 5 of the pages. So which is equal to 21. So she has read 21 pages on the first day. So out of 35, the remaining pages which has to be read is 14. Now in this 14, the second day, she reads 2 by 7 of the pages. So remaining is 14. So in this 2 by 7, it is 4. So the second day she has read 4 pages. So when we assume 35, unread pages will be, so in this 14, so you subtract 4, so 10 unread pages. So if you assume the number of pages as 35, 10 pages are unread. So, but they have given the number of pages unread is 50. So, she has returned the book on the third day with 50 pages unread. So, if 50 pages to be unread, how many pages the book would have contained? So, just multiply this 2 and divide by 10, you get number of pages. So, is equal to 175. So, the book contained 175 pages. So, according to this condition, so she returns this book which has 175 pages with 50 pages unread. So, answer here is 175. Answer is option C, 175. So, for our easier working, we take LCM of denominators as assumed number of pages and then we follow the working here. So, the number of pages the book contains is 175. So, friends, so we have seen some interesting miscellaneous questions which were asked in the previous bank exams. So, hope you would have understood. So, we have many questions in our portal too. So, go to the portal and practice those questions. Thank you.